You know what? There is something common between all of us. We all know this fact. Not taking a risk in life is more riskier than taking a risk. But after knowing this fact as well, how many of us can actually take that risk in life? The ironic fact is very few. Why? Would you like to know the answer? If you really want to know the answer, I want you to watch this video till the end. So what's up guys, this is Piyush Patel, an upcoming author of the book called Superhero Next Door, and a fellow human being who always loved to inspire and help people to evolve in their life. So how many of you can actually take risk in your life after knowing this fact that not taking risk is more riskier than taking a risk? The answer is very few. But what is the reason? What is that common reason that after knowing this fact as well, very few people can take actually risk in their life? The common answer, the common thread between all of us for not taking a risk is fear of failure. Yes, my friends, the fear of failure. From childhood itself, this word fear has been superimposed in our mindset. We we believe that fear is something a taboo. Fear is something which should never happen in our life. But the fact is, without getting failed at something, you can never become successful at anything. And the real definition of success is nothing but going from failure to failure to failure without losing the excitement, without losing that enthusiasm. So if you read about the successful people of the world, you will find the common thing between all the successful people. They have failed hundreds of times. But the most important thing which they did in their life is they kept learning from their mistakes. They kept on moving. They never leave their efforts. They kept on doing the required things. And with the help of years of conviction, years of hard work, after getting failed hundreds of times, they could actually become successful. So if you really want to become successful, you have to be used to getting failed in your life. Without getting failed, how can you become successful at something? And failure is nothing but a success in disguise. So my friends, if you know this fact that not taking a risk is more riskier than taking a risk, start taking those risks which you are just not taking for the sake of fear of failure. I want you to start taking that risk. Unless you do not take those risks, you will not be exposed to the failures. And if you are not getting exposed to the failures, you will never be able to achieve that success which you always wanted to achieve in your life. This is message of the day. I hope it has added some value to your life. This is Piyush Patel, Superhero Next Door, flying out until we meet again.